I thought I heard something. This girl's been staring at me the whole time I was looking through the video. Here. Okay, so basically I'm trying to get this off. It's gonna be so complicated. Okay. The big bread. Okay, let's pop this open. Like I said, every time I open one, I'll let you have a treat. Ha ha ha. Okay. This is a duplicate already. Not starting off good with this mini bread. Okay, let's try number 2. We're not really starting off good with these. This. Okay. We're not starting off too good. But it came back. It came back. Look what we got. Oh my God, like what if you can actually take it out? Can you actually? You have to pull it out. And I don't want to ruin this one. If I get another one, I'll open it up. But this is so cute. Okay, let's open up another one. Hold on, I'll give you 2 treats in a minute. This is cute. Don't know what it is. You love this. 1, 2, 3. Right. I'm gonna give her an extra. This will be my last one. This will be her third treat. Cards, another card. So it wasn't that bad, but it wasn't that good. Okay, we have another one. This is a mini fashion. I don't know if y'all know what that is. It's basically purses, but like the version, but like purses. Yeah, basically purses, but it's mini brands. So yeah, Jesus. Why can't it just not be complicated? Look at this. Don't you come after the plastic. I'll punch you, little girl. I won't punch you, but I'll be saltines. I'll be right back. Okay, come here. We got the opens. Come here. Come here. Come here. What? That's her right there with the tail. She got so savage. You gotta sit down and wait. Okay. The mini fashion. First, you get your little collector's guide. Then you get with compacts. Then you get a purse. Well, basically, what's the collector guide is you can collect all these, and then you can collect these, and it shows like mini brands that are probably gonna be released. Like Toys already out the mini brands, and then mini brands Disney is gonna be released out really soon. And then so let's see what compounds I get. First, I got this little face cream, which is like not real, but she's annoying. She's annoying. She's annoying. Okay, then I have to say this out loud because my mom really wants this, and I really want this. But I have to brush with the real. Okay, and then the last thing. That's weird, they didn't give me glasses this time. Usually they give you glasses. They got this. Oh. Hey! What do you want? And then the sticker. Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am. And then we got this. That's the sticker. bag open because we get the present. Look at this! Oh my god. You lucky. You lucky bird. You lucky little bone. She's so lucky. I'm so lucky. I got her so many cute things. Okay, well, hope you guys enjoyed this video. This video was really fun. Please hit the like button. What are you about to do? You about to square up with somebody because you go on the mat thing. What you doing? What you wear? Oh, you got play? My little bag with my little sticker. Look, girl, I can't concentrate what you do. Hey, look, goes away. I don't want her eating anything. That's not what she can eat. What? I got so much ads. I'll give you some change before I leave, but I hope you guys like this video. Bye, and this is Missy, the cat we rescued. She's Missy, the cat we rescued.